Hello everyone. Today we come to activities week 3 board game. Now I would like to tell you how to submit the video tutorials. Firstly, we can choose the website. This one. You can choose a make a board game or make a board game or using the template on Google Slide to create digital board games. I think that you can choose, it depends on you, and some can say it's great and some say it's no. But now first come to this part. You choose make the board game. Okay, I'll wait some minutes. Alright, this website named Tools for Educators, and in this game you have a more game board template list below, and you can choose some of these that depend on the lessons at school. For example, when you teach adjectives, you can choose email, both email and text. Maybe you teach some new words, like you teach about hairstyle, you teach about health, maybe about habits. Okay, you can choose the topic you like. Alright, both the board game for teaching new words or teaching grammar point. Okay, so today I just only show you about this. Okay, you can choose for each class. For some of the students like at grade 8, maybe grade 2. Okay, and I think that you try printable board game like this. Printable board game. Okay, I know that it's a printable for the teacher, and in this you have some cards. Maybe you use a board game to print in a PDF file and some question cards in a Word doc file. In that you can edit what you want like this. Maybe you choose a double side question card. It's only the doc file, and maybe hard board game the same. Alright, it depends on the learner. Who like heart, who like flower. Alright, in this, maybe some cute bubble board games. Right, you can choose if you want. And I think that there's a tune for educators. It's a very nice.